Ever heard of the twin charger phenomenon? It's like having the best of both worlds in your engine, turbocharger and supercharger working together to boost power and torque. Turbochargers use exhaust gases to spin a turbine, while superchargers are belt-driven for instant power. When combined, they create a dynamic duo, overcoming each other's weaknesses. But it's not all smooth sailing. Twin charging comes with its own set of challenges, like fitting both systems in the engine bay and fine-tuning them for optimal performance. The result? A powerhouse on wheels that's ready to dominate the road or track. What do you think about this cutting-edge concept in automotive engineering?